Hello guys, so I've edited the Nirvana patch. I wasn't convinced with what I did, but I retained the first one, which is the Kurtz amp for the intro, so that is the same. It's the VX combo, the values are the same. Gain 10, tube 30, level 100, treble 44, mid 50, bass 49, presence 53, cab VX combo 2x12, output line. Then next to it is the Kurtz distortion, and it's this one, and then gain 80, tone 50, level 80, and then I removed the Big Muff or the Great Muff and just left the room reverb. Values are the same: 10 for decay, tone 8, mix 60, pred 5, level 100, tail off. Then the next one, which is Kurt clone, FD combo for the amp sim. Values are the same: gain 10, tube 30, level 80, treble 48, mid 45, bass 44, presence 52, cab FD combo 2x12, output line. And then next to that is detune. So technically this is all the same. Cent 10, pred 25, mix 60, tone 8, level 100, and then you got the ensemble, depth 90, rate 24, mix 70, tone 2, level 100, and then last is the reverb, room, decay 7, tone 5, mix 60, pred 5, level 100, tail off. And the last bit, the Kurt lid, I removed the amp sim, I removed the this, and I removed the Big Muff, but I changed it into Squeak, which is like, I think, the rat version of Zoom G1xOn. Values are, I put the gain all the way up, so gain 100, tone 50, level 80, and then detune, which is cent 10, pred 0, mix 52, tone 8, level 100, and the last bit is the stereo chorus, depth 80, rate 30, mix 60, tone 7, level 100. I hope this is much better version from the previous one, and also just tweak it according to your guitar or your amp that you'll be using. And thanks for watching. See you later.
Yeah.